Hey guys, so we're going to continue working with coordinate grids in quadrant number 1, but for this week we're going to focus a little bit more on using directions to tell us how to get to certain places. So I'm going to share my screen real quick here, and we're going to talk about the different directions, okay? So there are 4 different directions we can use to describe where we are going, okay? So we can be going north, which is normally what we would consider up, east, which is what we would consider going to the right, south, which is what we would consider going down, and west, which we would consider going to the left when we're talking about moving on a coordinate grid, okay? So let's see if I can move over here. Okay, so we're just gonna do a quick little practice here using our directions to tell us where we're going on this cool little hold on. Let me share that. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do it on this graphing points in the first quadrant review. It's Fortnite inspired, so let's get excited. Okay, so we have Alex, Fred, Nikki, and Simone are playing Fortnite. Answer the following questions about the map. All right, so Alex landed at 2-6. Did he land in the water? Okay, so we're just gonna practice going over how to find 2, 6 on this graph first. Okay, so remember we use the x-axis first. This number 2, the first number listed is always on the x-axis, and the x-axis is the horizontal axis. So that means we're gonna go 2 spots to the right, which means we're going 2 spots east. Okay, we're on 2 spots east, and then we got to go up 6. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our point would be right here. We went north 6 spots. So we went east 2, north 6 to get to that spot. And did Alex land in the water? The answer would be no, because he's still on the green land. Okay, there we go, no. At what point is Fred on the map? All right. So starting at 0, 0, this is our origin, remember, okay? We always go left to right first. So he is way over here. So we are going right, or excuse me. Yeah, we're going right, which is east. We're going east 7, up 5, which is north. So we should be at 7, 5. Remember, the x-axis always comes first. So 7, 5 is where he is. Okay, Nikki landed at 2, 1. Did she land in the water? All right, so to find 2, 1, this ordered pair, we have to go east 2, north 1. East 2, north 1. We're gonna be in this blue spot here. So did Nikki land in the water? The answer is gonna be yes. Okay, so since we're only working in the first quadrant, you're only gonna be moving positive right and up positive north. Okay, so you're really only going to be looking at north and east when we are looking at starting at the origin in the first quadrant. Okay, if Simone were at the point 5, 5 on the map, which named location would she be closest to? Okay, so 5, 5, that means we have to go 5 on the x-axis first, so 5 spots right and 5 spots up, which is east and north. Okay, that would put her right here, which is closest to the screaming forest. Okay, and I'm gonna try another one. So I wanna say, what direction, how would we move from the screaming forest where Simone is at, 5, 5, to tiny tunnels? Okay, so we want to start here at Screaming Forest, and we want to appear here. Okay, we could get there different ways. We could go, but we want to follow the grid. So we could go left first and then down, or we could go down first and then left. Either way is fine as long as you use the correct directions to get there. Okay, so we could say we need to move 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. Remember, left is west. Never eat soggy waffles. Waffles is left. Okay, so what was it? 1, 2, 3 spots left, and 1, 2, 3 spaces south. which is down to get to tiny tunnels. Okay. Okie dokie. At what point is Fred on the map? So he would be, we always do our x-axis first, 2, up 5. So starting at the origin, okay, we moved 2 spots east, 5 spots north to get to 2, 5. Let's say, let's get our answer 2, 5. Let's say Fred is at Ghostly Mounds and he wants to go to Fortunate Falls, which is at this spot here. How would he get there? Okay, and again, you can either go side to side first and then up and down. So we could either go 1, 2 spots east, 1, 2, 3, 4 spots south, or we could go down first. We could go 1, 2, 3, 4 spots south, 1, 2 spots east. Okay, but we like to keep our ordered pairs going x-axis first, y-axis second. So we would like to really keep it with horizontal first. So it would be 1, 2 spots to the east, 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces south. Okay, let's do one more. Simone is at 1, 5. Which named location is she closest to? So we always start at the origin at 0, 0. We go to the right once, which would be east, and then up 5, 5 north. That would be up here. She would be closest to Ghostly Mounds. Okay, so I want you guys to really keep in mind these directions. They're really going to help you. So I like to say, never eat soggy waffles, to remember them in like a circle. You can come up with whatever acronym that works for you to remember, but drawing this on your paper when trying to solve these problems might help you a lot. So north, east, south, west. Keep that in mind. And let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully that helps, guys. See ya.